Great cooking experience with Chef Tik, was very patient, informative and funny. The class was enjoyable and all the recipes were easy to make. The peanut sauce was so good. We'd definitely come back to do the other recipes. There were 4 of us doing the cooking class. Everything worked out great. From the pickup service from the hotel to the cooking class itself. It's important to note that the dishes cooked are slightly different every day. The recipes are also great. After the class, I recently had the pleasure of attending a Thai cooking class, and I have to say, it exceeded all of my expectations. The entire experience was enjoyable from start to finish. The recipes were not only delicious but also surprisingly easy to follow, even for someone like me who doesn't cook often. The best part of the class was our instructor. She was absolutely fantastic, funny, warm, and incredibly friendly. She made the class atmosphere so light and enjoyable, and her sense of humor kept us laughing throughout. It's clear that she loves what she does, and her passion for Thai cuisine really shines through. The instructions were all in English, and everything was explained very clearly. The trainer was very patient and made sure everyone understood each step before moving on, which was really helpful. She also gave a lot of great tips on how to substitute ingredients. We were promptly alerted that the initial day we booked for was full but got moved to a day earlier, which worked out because the experience was great. Tik was a great teacher, steps were clear and engaging. The market trip was also good to see the fresh ingredients. Recommend. This was such a wonderful experience and such a memorable thing to do on a trip to Phuket. Our teacher, Tik, was so funny and nice. Everything was explained so well and the class was easy to follow. Also, the food was so delicious and when we couldn't finish it they packed it up for us to take back to our hotel. We definitely recommend this experience. Great personality with chef, and she is very educational with her style of cooking and can provide heaps of insight. The helper were super friendly and kind too. Just the heat on the day can be very draining as we are cooking under steel roofing. Luckily only my friends and I attended that day. The driver picked us up at the hotel on time that day, then went to the market to buy groceries. The teacher explained the ingredients, then in the workshop handled the ingredients. The teacher will demonstrate a cooking, and then to us to cook. The teacher is there to guide. We managed to make 9 Thai dishes and were very satisfied. Too many dishes to eat that day, brought back to the hotel to eat tomorrow. It's really a fun experience. Teacher Karn is nice and explain all the ingredients to us. She made the cook easy and fun. We had a good time. We had the best time at the cooking class with Tik. Her explanations were great and the food was awesome and fresh. Loved the family recipes, such yummy food. Highly recommended. We had the cooking class for the whole day. We were able to learn a lot of new things. I can only recommend this cooking class. The best food I have ever eaten in Thailand. Highly recommended cooking experience with market tour and clear explanation of every step. Tik was a funny lady that kept us entertained. Learned how to make green curry paste from scratch, made tom yam soup and pad thai. Finished off the lunch with organic sticky mango, hungry face emoji.